Welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I told you how you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on your unsupported system in the easiest way. Today, I will show you how you can permanently remove the system compatibility check from the Windows 11 setup so that no matter where you open this setup, it will pass the check. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. Currently, I am using Windows 10 on my system, and now I want to upgrade it to Windows 11. For this, first, we will download the Windows 11 setup from Microsoft's official website. So open your browser and search for Windows 11 download. And after pressing enter, open Microsoft's official website. As you can see, there are three options here: Windows 11 Installation Assistant, create Windows 11 installation media, and the last one is download Windows 11 disk image, ISO, for 64-bit devices. We need the ISO image, so we will select the last option, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition, and proceed with the download. After processing, you will need to select a language, and here you will find many languages. But I will select English and confirm. After processing, it will provide a download link valid for 24 hours. I have already downloaded the ISO image, so I will double-click on it to mount it. Now, I will run the setup to show you whether my system is compatible or not. For now, I will run it without updates, so that it directly goes to the compatibility check. As you can see, my processor is not compatible with Windows 11, so I will close this setup. Now, I will download Rufus software and use it to remove this compatibility check. But for this, we will need a USB drive to create a bootable setup using Rufus. To download Rufus, we will go to our browser and search for Rufus download, then open Rufus's official website from the search results. Scroll down and here you will find both the standard and portable versions for Windows. I will download the standard version. After completion, I will open the folder where the software is downloaded and then launch the software. It will ask whether it should check for updates automatically or not. Since I want to keep the software updated, I will select Yes. Here you can see the device tab is empty, but as soon as I plug in the USB, it will automatically detect and select it. Here we will see the boot selection tab with different options. We will choose the disk or ISO image option and select the Windows 11 ISO image. Rufus will automatically configure all settings, including the partition scheme, which is useful for a clean installation. But right now, we only want to modify the setup and remove the system requirements. So we will leave the settings as they are and press the Start button. Rufus will then give us the option to customize the Windows installation, where we can remove the following requirements: 4 GB plus RAM requirement, secure boot and TPM 2.0, requirement for an online Microsoft account, option to create a local account with any username, set regional options to match the current user's settings, disable data collection, skip privacy questions, disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. We will only select the first two options because the others are more relevant for a clean installation rather than an upgrade. After clicking OK, Rufus will warn that all data on the USB will be deleted. Once I confirm, Rufus will start writing the data to the USB, which will take some time. After completion, I will close Rufus. Then, I will open this PC and eject the previously mounted Windows 11 ISO image, because now we will run the setup from the USB. After ejecting, I will open the USB, and you will notice that the setup logo has changed after modification. When opened, its name has also changed to Windows Setup Wrapper, but it is still the Windows 11 setup. After preparation, the setup will open, and it will ask whether to download Windows updates now or not. Since I want my Windows to be updated, I will click Next. After checking for updates, it would normally perform a system compatibility check. But as you can see, the setup did not perform any compatibility check, meaning Rufus has successfully removed the Windows 11 requirements. After preparation, the setup will show the terms and conditions. After accepting them, it will download updates. After the updates, a warning will appear stating that my system is not compatible with Windows 11 and does not meet the minimum requirements. It will also warn that if I proceed, I may face compatibility issues. I will accept this and continue. After accepting, it will show the Ready to Install screen. Clicking on Install will start the Windows 11 installation. Once the installation is complete, you will have successfully upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. With this method, you can modify any setup, save it to a USB, and then install Windows 11 on any unsupported system. You can also use this USB to perform a clean installation. That's all for today. In the next video, I will show you how to revert to Windows 10 if your system becomes slow after installing Windows 11. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.